Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add a signature line in Gmail. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the setting gear icon in the Gmail window near top right corner underneath your letter username. So left click on the gear icon and then go down and left click on settings. Scroll down on this page until you get to a text box that should say signature. So just going to scroll down here. You see signature is currently selected, no signature. You want to select this circle inside the circle underneath no signature. So this will mean we're going to select the signature here. So you can type whatever you want. You can change the font type, the font color, whatnot. So let's just keep it very simple. So I'm just going to type in Mr. Signature, and I'm going to type in my title, so VP of Signatures. So pretty original, as you can tell. So once you're done setting it up however you want to just go down to the last part of this page, left click on Save Changes. So once that's done, if we left click on the compose button near the top left corner, and in the to field, let's say we name an email to ourselves here. So let's say we do an email to ourselves here. So let me just type in my email address. And so I'm just going to type in my email address right here. And then I'm going to left click on send. And once it comes in my inbox, I'm going to see if there's going to be a signature line in here. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.